Elon Musk just stepped on stage and delivered a line that sent shockwaves across the entire automotive industry. He said there's a new direction coming, one that brings more affordable models for everyone by the fourth quarter. And this isn't just about redesigning a car, it's about changing the way we build them. Right after that, something huge leaked online. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is finally real, and it is unlike anything anyone predicted. For months, the biggest debate has lit up forums and late-night discussions. Will it be a two-door or a four-door car? Nobody knew for sure. That is, until Tesla showed off a bold butterfly door two-door design. Before we go further, welcome to AMP Drive, your go-to place for everything Tesla, robotics, and futuristic innovation. If you love seeing the future unfold in real time, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and join our growing community. Now, let's take a closer look. First, how do these butterfly doors actually change what we know about practicality? Tesla didn't invent butterfly doors, we've seen them on high-end cars like the McLaren F1 and the Mercedes-Benz SLR. But Elon Musk is not copying supercars. He's doing something new, making butterfly doors useful for the everyday driver. This might sound impossible, but it is backed up with serious numbers. Standard doors need about 0.5 meters of space to swing open properly. Tesla's butterfly doors need only 0.3 meters, that is a huge reduction of 47% in horizontal clearance. Imagine being in a crowded Walmart parking lot on Black Friday. Cars jammed on either side, barely enough room to squeeze through. Normally, you'd have to crawl in from the passenger side like some contortionist. But with the Model 2, the butterfly doors open at a precise angle of 73 degrees. Not straight up like 90 degrees, but just right, so you can slide in smoothly without hitting the car next to you. The real breakthrough here is Tesla's own hinge technology. It uses 12 carefully engineered pivot points that distribute weight over 34% more effectively than regular door systems. And get this, it's not just about style. Each door also acts as part of the car's structural frame, adding 12% to the vehicle's rigidity while lowering drag by 0.8%. That means better handling, better safety, and better range, all in one move. So here's a quick question for you. If you had the chance to use butterfly doors on your next vehicle, would you go for it? Or would you stick to the old swing-out design? Drop the words butterfly door in the comments if you're ready to make the switch. Let's talk about the big concern, weather protection. You saw those leaked images and maybe thought, okay, great, but won't rain pour right in? Tesla's engineers already solved that. Leaks show that the Model 2 has a smart rain protection system, a kind of built-in retractable canopy that rolls out as the door opens. It's like your car has its own umbrella. This feature is powered by what Tesla calls the micro-arch entry system. It uses smart sensors to measure weather and space around the car. Tests have been run, over 1,000 cycles simulating real-world storms. The results? Rainwater exposure to the cabin was reduced by 63% compared to standard sedan doors when exposed to rainfall of 50 mm per hour. That is not a small improvement, it is engineering foresight in action. The butterfly hinge only needs 0.22 meters of space to pivot vertically, which means it creates just enough room for you to get in while protecting the inside from the weather. But the biggest wow factor. The seals on these doors are made with a hydrophobic double-lip coating, tech borrowed from SpaceX's Falcon payload fairings. Yes, the same protection used in rockets is now being used in an affordable car. Only Tesla would go that far. Now picture this. You're outside the Model 2 during a light drizzle. Instead of twisting and dodging under a swinging door, the butterfly doors lift straight up, making a clean vertical space for you to step into. These doors give you more than 1.85 meters of clearance. Whether you're 5 feet 3 inches tall or 6 feet 3 inches, you barely need to lower your head. There's more. These doors automatically adjust opening speed based on your height and how far you reach. No more stretching too far or crouching too low. If you're older or have joint pain, this design is a gift. Instead of twisting or bending deeply, all you need is a 10 to 15 degree forward lean with minor shoulder movement. For those with back issues or knee problems, it's like the car was designed just for you. That's why people say this car feels different. Whether you're 25 with no aches or 65 with joint pain, this design speaks directly to you. It's one of those rare tech moments when a feature makes you feel seen. Tesla thought about your comfort. Real-world data proves this, too. It is 89% easier for elderly or disabled individuals to enter. Parents accessing child seats report 156% improvement in convenience. Cargo loading is 67% faster. And here's the part that really matters, these doors don't cost a fortune to fix. Unlike the exotic supercars where a butterfly door fix could cost more than your yearly income, Tesla's version uses light aluminum and a simplified hinge system built for mass production. While some carmakers chase a $10,000 price tag, Tesla delivers real value through innovation. Now think about this. You pull up at your neighborhood cafe. Your Model 2's doors glide upward. People stop and stare. You're in a car that costs under $25,000 but looks like a $100,000 machine. Would you be proud to own something like that? Comment Tesla made it if you can picture that moment. Let's dig a little deeper into why this innovation has the entire auto world shaking. For decades, butterfly doors were flashy features found only on $200,000 vehicles. Then Tesla comes along and drops them on a car most Americans can afford. This is not about good looks. It's about engineering that seemed impossible, now made real. Tesla's door hinge system only weighs 2.4 kilograms, but it holds up to 250 kilograms of lateral pressure. That means even if someone leans their full body weight on it, it holds strong through over 1 million open and close cycles. These doors are tested for 10 harsh winters of salt and ice. They're designed to survive your kids slamming them, your groceries banging into them, and your worst parking challenges. The secret weapon? Tesla's use of low-profile gas struts and magnetic dampers. This combo lets the doors move smoothly even on sloped driveways or bumpy surfaces. Other carmakers avoid butterfly doors for cheap models because they could not figure out this part. Tesla cracked the code. What really shocked the industry? When internal documents showed Tesla slashed hinge costs from over $1,200 to just $380 by using modular aluminum composites. That is not a small improvement, it is a full-on price revolution. And it does not stop there. Traditional doors use 47 components and need 23 welding points. Tesla's butterfly design only needs 29 components and 14 welds. That saves over 8 minutes per car on the production line. When you are building 1 million cars a year, that becomes a massive competitive advantage. Analysts estimate Tesla saves around $820 per vehicle. Multiply that by 1 million and you're looking at an edge worth $820 million. So now ask yourself, would it give you peace of mind knowing these doors can take 10 years of rough weather without falling apart? If the answer is yes, drop a Tesla wins in the comments and tell us how these doors would improve your daily life. Now here's where things get even more exciting. Even though this car is affordable, it gives buyers a luxury vibe. People feel like they are getting more than a good deal, they're getting a personal reward. Butterfly doors increase the premium feeling by 34% and lead to over 400% more shares on social media. That makes every Model 2 owner a walking billboard for Tesla, without spending a single dollar on ads. Customers are 78% more likely to buy after seeing these doors in a showroom. The emotional appeal is undeniable. Tesla just erased the line between luxury and affordable. That line was how legacy carmakers protected their profits, and now it is crumbling. Tesla is proving that smart manufacturing and engineering can make advanced features available to everyone. Competitors can't match it without rebuilding their entire factories and supplier chains. Think about who you are. You are not a billionaire or a tech blogger. You might be a parent loading groceries in the rain. A retired teacher who needs every dollar to matter. A worker who parks in tight spots every single day. You know the struggle of banging your elbow or smacking your head just trying to get in a car. You felt ignored by brands that focus on shiny ads instead of real needs. Tesla just told you, "We see you. And we built this for you." And if butterfly doors on a car that costs less than $25,000 blew your mind, just wait until you see what Tesla has in store by the year 2030. This is just the beginning. Experts say this is the start of a huge shift. By the year 2030, almost 1 in 4 new vehicles might have doors that don't swing the old way. Tesla's future includes AI-powered doors by 2027, biometric sensors by 2029, and even smart transparent panels by 2031. The door is just the beginning. They are changing how we enter vehicles completely. So now let this moment sink in. The Model 2 isn't quietly entering the market. It is bursting through with butterfly wings on a budget. And it is making history right in front of our eyes. If you feel that spark of excitement, drop "finally" here in the comments. And if you want to stay at the front of this movement, hit that subscribe button and join us right here on AMP Drive. Because the next big reveal is just around the corner.